Investors and traders, welcome to the channel Market Chart Pattern. Today is 12th of August 2023 and I hope everyone is having a great weekend. In this video, we are going to take a look at the Tesla Motors stock. We will be covering the daily chart. We will be looking at the key pattern formations and how the price action has transpired since the last time we took a look at the stock. We'll then cover and take a look at longer term pattern formation on the weekly chart and finally on the monthly charts. So this video is for educational purposes only and it is not a financial advice. So what we are looking at is the daily chart of Tesla stock. One of the key things that we had been watching for was a price level of around $300, which I'm going to show again at the weekly chart. After hitting that target, which was our second price objective, the market has pulled back, and we were looking at is two key areas of the price where it could in fact pull back to. One of them it has actually reached, and that one is shown in this purple line. And what is this purple line? It is that whenever in this entire move up from $105 to $300 per share, we have had corrections of this much magnitude. So you can see this, it was a very nice ABCD one-to-one price projection, and if we just take that and try to project it from here, we get a level of about $243 per share level. And what we have seen as of last Friday is the market actually take that level, slightly move below that, and in fact it closed positive for the day, which is a good sign. But you can see there was quite a bit of fight between the bulls and the bears. The other price, from a price symmetry perspective, the level that we are looking at is if you look at this entire ABCD decline in this entire move higher from 105 to about $300 per share level, it is about this much. And of course we have the 38.2% Fibonacci retracement come in about $225 per share level. So the price has pulled back into this zone, and we have this our trend line coming in as well here, and this is a region or a confluence point where we have a number of things coming together. We have the 38.2% Fibonacci retracement of its from the level or the lows of $100 per share level to about $300 per share level, and also we have the market symmetry concept. The market symmetry concept is that markets like to repeat over and over again, and one of the things we like to take a look at is the magnitude of the previous declines and how the market will respect that. So in this region where the market is trading currently to about $225 per share level is the zone that we are looking at where the stock could actually in fact pull back to, moving beyond towards the lower side after hitting the 38.2% Fibonacci retracement, which is around $225 per share level. Then we'll begin to take a closer look whether this is going to be a deeper pullback or not. But for now, this is the region that we are looking at. Let's take a look at the weekly chart. So here is our weekly chart. Ever since the market broke the $210 per share level, we had upward targets which were met. First, we were looking at about $270 per share level, and then we also had the $300 per share level, and that is basically the 61.8% Fibonacci retracement from the November 2021 highs to the lows of 3rd of January 2023. And also if we just take this move since the beginning of 2023 and we just project this ABCD one-to-one projection, we had the 1.272 extension come in around $300 per share level. Now the market is pulling back. As we looked at on the daily chart, $225 per share level is a point where the market could pull back to. On the weekly basis, you can see that it's just been going down for 3 weeks, 4 weeks, and we have the 20-day weekly moving average also hovering around the $225 per share level. It's possible that a market might actually retrace a little bit more to this level, and we'll be watching this level really closely. We'll have some structural support coming in around a little bit lower, around $215 per share level. This is the zone that we are really watching for. Now, the of course, what happens in the overall S&P 500 and the broader indices is likely to have an impact on the stock, and it's also possible that we might actually go into some sort of a sideways market, just the way we had over here for a few months before there is good amount of support and then accumulation of the stock that comes in. And if the stock begins to move and take out the level of $300 per share level, then we have the third objective of roughly around $350 per share level. And if we look at really longer term, the monthly chart, this is what we're looking at. There is still remains a possibility, as long as this is a really longer term chart. So one has to be very patient, and it's more for people who are who are more investors. This point, roughly around $100 per share level, which is a point C. If that is, as long as it holds as a support level, then our belief is that we are in ABCD 1-to-1 projection higher, and that in fact could take the stock higher, even up to $500 per share level. Of course, that remains to be seen, and there are levels of resistance that the stock has to overtake before it's able to do that. But the pattern recognition that we follow and the 1-to-1 price projections that we like to follow, this point C is really important. And as long as the market trades above that from a price action perspective, this pattern formation could in fact be fulfilled. How long it's going to take, I do not know. What we need to take a look at is the key levels or in the pattern formation that the market should respect per our analysis. So guys, quick video about this. This is what we are looking at, and there's a possibility the stock could retrace down to about $225 per share level, and we will of course be watching it on a daily basis, weekly basis, and make the videos and bring it out to you guys as some have already requested. So thank you very much for watching the videos and following my work. If you like how we do the analysis here using Fibonacci retracements, price projections and expansions, and pattern recognition, then please do subscribe to this channel. And if you found this video of educational value, then please do hit that like button, and that way I know that people find the videos of educational purposes, they like it, and it just encourages me to bring on more videos for you guys for educational purposes. Thank you very much. Good luck and good trading.